All right, there we saw the indicator go down. We set the hook and we've got a fish on. I'm going to take the rod and I'm going to get the line onto the reel as quickly as possible. Maybe I have a bunch of slack here, okay, from when I was fishing. I like to take that end piece, put it beneath my pinky and reel up that slack just so I have tension on it to get that line back on the reel. Now as I'm fighting the fish, I'm going to give him time to get tired and we're going to fight him downstream. This will tire him out much quicker than trying to fight him this direction, which is common. Everyone wants to fight against the direction the fish is pulling, but go this direction with your rod and you can fight the fish the right way, okay? Now we're going to let him take his time. He's going to do some runs and then he'll tire out. As he tires out, we're going to reel in some line. Beautiful rainbow. And as he gets tired, he's going to start to show his sides. You can see right now he's still really vertical in the water column. As we get him close, I'm going to take my rod. If I have a net, or either way, the way that I get the fish close to me is I'm going to take my rod and I'm going to put it back here behind my shoulder, okay? And that'll bring the fish right towards me. Then I can grab the line here. If this is a big fish, I wouldn't recommend grabbing your line just because they have more power that they can break your line. Okay, we're going to get our hand wet and we're going to grab the fish. Now I like to hold the fish behind these fins with my pinky and my other three in front. That way as they're kicking, what ends up happening is they're kicking right at the pivot point is where you've got them held, so you don't have to crush them to hold them. So we're going to pop this hook out of his mouth. And we're going to let this beautiful rainbow go.